Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency. Uh, Uzbekistan moves to black against cryptocurrency exchange. Authorities in Uzbekistan are restricting access to online crypto trading platforms based outside the country and not registered under its laws. A presidential directory obligates exchanges and local companies to only use digital asset exchange licensed by the government of the Central Asian nation. Uzbekistan takes a step to prevent crypto trading and custody on foreign platform. What that's Uzbekistan National Agency of Protective Projects has registered a spike in activities of online platforms providing crypto-related certificates to Uzbekistanis without the necessary license. The regulatory body says this facilitates trading of cryptocurrencies and requests personal information without complying with a requirement to have their servers installed in the country. In a recent statement, the agency pointed out that such platforms do not bear any legal responsibility for carrying out operations with crypto assets, cannot guarantee the legitimacy of transactions, as well as the proper storage and confidentiality of the personal data of citizens of the Republic of Uzbekistan. In light of this findings, the regulator has restricted access to their domains. The announcement declares that the government of Uzbekistan has made consistent efforts to improve the regulatory and institutional framework in the crypto space. A decree signed by President Shavkat Mirziyoyev in 2018 defines the types of business activities pertaining to digital assets, like the meaning of cryptocurrencies and the profits of services related to their calculation. Providers whose activities are subject to licensing include meaningful cryptocurrency exchanges and depositories, as well as other crypto companies that offer individual or legal intent certificates of the parties. Seller exchange sold insurance for placement and management of crypto assets. Regulation adopted this space. April law Uzbekistanis and business based in their country to acquire, sell, and exchange cryptocurrencies exclusively on a domestic platform starting for January 1, 2023. Okay guys, thank you very much. Maybe just this. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you.